Hello, this is Marketing Assistant Rachel from the Corporate Hub here with your Tech Tuesday. Now we are just about 2.5 weeks away from Christmas, and I am sure many of you have bought your children, spouses, parents, or even yourself a new phone for this holiday season. Now there is nothing worse than buying a new phone and dropping it and cracking it only a few weeks later. That is why for today's Tech Tuesday, we are going to go over some protective accessories that would make perfect gifts to go with your new phone. In 2018, research found that Americans cracked over 50 million phone screens. Now the cost of a screen replacement can be anywhere around $50 to around $400 depending on the model and generation of your phone. With each new smartphone becoming more intricate, the cost of screen replacements are only increasing. That is why it is better to be proactive now and to buy a screen protector and a protective case rather than having to pay for a screen replacement in the future. Now to protect your screen, you should get a screen protector because it protects your actual screen from cracking when it's dropped. A screen protector absorbs the force of the drop and releases the energy across the screen protector instead of the actual screen. This decreases the likelihood of your actual screen cracking. Additionally, a screen protector is good at preventing your phone from getting all scratched up. Now, if you're going to invest in a screen protector, I would recommend getting a tempered glass over a plastic screen protector. A tempered glass screen protector is about 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters thick compared to a plastic one that's only about 0.1 millimeters thick. This means that a tempered glass screen protector absorbs more of the energy from a drop than a plastic one would. Additionally, a plastic screen protector gets scratched up more easily as well as it begins to lose clarity and look hazy after a while of use. Now, a screen protector is really only good at protecting your phone screen. For full protection coverage, you should look at investing in a protective phone case. A protective phone case absorbs the shock of the drop and decreases the likelihood of your phone cracking or having further damage. Now, although your $10 Amazon case may be cute or represent your favorite sports team, the likelihood of that actually protecting your phone when it's dropped is pretty slim. That is why we like to recommend cases such as OtterBox, Nimbus 9, or LifeProof, just to name a few. The Nimbus 9 cases are military-grade cases, meaning they went through rugged and harsh conditions and passed the military drop test. Nimbus 9 cases are military-grade while also keeping a slim and thin look so it's not too bulky in your back pocket. This phone case also offers metallic, super responsive buttons to ensure precise clicks. Another phone case is OtterBox. OtterBox is a multi-layer case in which the first layer absorbs the shock of a drop, while the second layer deflects the shock of the drop to protect your phone. OtterBox also offers cases with port coverings to protect your phone from getting dirt or dust inside of it. Genius offers a wide variety of cases and colors, so make sure to stop into your nearest Genius location to check it out. Right now, we are having a holiday special in which we are offering $10 off of our lifetime bundles that include a tempered glass and a phone case. The starting price for this is at $39.99.